This is parasympathetic breathing. The purpose of parasympathetic breathing is to restore your nervous system to a point where either after a painful episode or a very, very intense workout, you can start to collect all of the energy back that your body has put out and bring yourself towards an immediate state of healing and recovery to accelerate the process of you getting better. You're going to set up with your feet, lower legs on a bench. You're going to be lying very comfortably on your back. One hand on your belly, other hand on your chest. We want most of the motion of your breathing to happen into the belly hand. So if you just take a couple reps of breathing, make sure it's your belly hand that's doing most of the moving. For the parasympathetic breath, you are going to inhale through your nose for 2 seconds. Exhale through your nose for 4 seconds. 2 seconds in. 4 seconds out. As your coach prescribes, you can expand this to 3 seconds in, 6 seconds out, 5 seconds in, 10 seconds out. The goals to note are, we want to make sure our lower abdomen is doing most of the expanding, that this is through your nose, and that you're spending more time exhaling than you are inhaling. This is parasympathetic breathing.